our birds are parrot, biggest part of bird children, charismatic and musically inclined. Fly back to the table and Blue wants to. There you go, donate your money. Okay mo. No hard feelings. So okay ba ito? So huwag sige lang. This time, kapag ko na gamay. Pag-attention mo na. Dapat ako may show, sir. We're paying your money before that. Blue wants a picture for you for Sunday. Para sa taga, sir, and picture someone with Blue. So give me your best pose and smile together, my dear Blue. So before we continue, so welcome to Scotia Park Team UA on our start in your life is our green wing of our ballet. As you can see, it's our winner red image. Your wings stand up are blue and green. So I think it face right, small red first. So Ballet's scientific name is Paraculocurus. So Ballet, say hi to everyone, say hi! Sabi sa inyo na Ballet, hi!
Ay, ay.
Siya ka-cute. Next is our blue and gold macaw body. A blue and gold macaw is a beautiful shade of blue in the sky. A solid yellow of inner wings and
Ay, ay, ay.
eyes and teeth are solid
Ay,
black.
ay, ay, naman.
So he's wearing from Peru, Brazil, and Thailand, July. But here we see three blue macaws. Earlier doing basketball, but si blue and azul. So later, lies a nice segment in Cody. So Cody's scientific name is Arana. And si Cody is si Cody na butterfly sa iyong wings. So since Cody, there you go. So that Cody can live up to 60 to 70 years old. So guys,
Ay, 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 dala.
are monotonous, meaning they can only live one partner for their entire lifetime. Sana all.
Ay, ay.
So that's it. Our two kinds of parrot green is Cebu Ocean Park. Our green wing macaw, and blue and gold macaw.